A very good morning to all. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is Our Green World. So, we all know that we all live on which planet? Planet Earth. So, Earth is the only planet where the life exists. And our planet has plenty of natural things. That is, the earth has plenty of natural things. So what are natural things? Things which are present in the nature. They are called as natural things. We can say which are things which are gift of nature. They are called as natural things. Air, water, plants, soil, all these are natural things. So why do we call them as natural things? Because they are present in the nature. They are not made by human beings. They are gift of nature. That is why we call it as natural things. So even the things that we obtain from plants. Plants are natural things. What are things we get from plants? We get flowers, seeds, we get fruits, we get many things from plants. We depend on plants for our food, right? So, the things that we obtain from plants are also natural things. What about things that we get from animals? They are also natural things. So, what are natural things? Things which are in the nature. Things which are the gift of nature. We call it as natural things. And the earth has plenty of natural things. So, when these natural things are useful to us, we call it as natural resources. So what are natural resources? All kinds of natural things that are useful to us. They are called as natural resources. So let's take water. Let's take the example of water. Water is a natural thing. Is it useful to us? Yes. We need water to live. What about air? Air is a natural thing. Is it useful to us? Yes, we need air to live, we need air to breathe. So, it is a natural thing. So, all kinds of natural things that are useful to us, we call it as natural resources. Resources means the source of supply. So, what are natural resources? Natural things that are useful to us. We call it as natural resources. So, there are two types of natural resources. They are renewable natural resource and non-renewable natural resource. So, which are the two types of natural resources? Renewable resource and non-renewable resource. So, let's see the first one. The first one is the renewable resource. Resources that are being renewed continuously by rapid natural processes. They are called as renewable resources. So, the resources that can be used repeatedly and replaced by natural process, we call it as renewable resource. So, these resources are available in unlimited amount. For example, sun, wind, air, water, all these are examples for renewable resource. So, why do we call these as renewable resource? Because they are available in unlimited amount, and we use it, we cannot easily finish them because they are available in abundance. They are inexhaustible. So such resources we call it as renewable resources. So these resources we can use it repeatedly because it will not finish easily. They are available in abundance. They are inexhaustible. So these are renewable resources. Sun, wind, they are used to generate electricity. So these resources are replaced by natural process and we can use them continuously. We can use them repeatedly as these resources are available in abundance in nature. So such resources we call it as renewable resource. So which is the next type of resource? That is the non-renewable resource. So what are non-renewable resource? Resources that are not being renewed by rapid natural process. Such resources are called as non-renewable resources. That means the resources that cannot be easily replaced by natural process. For example, crude oil, coal, LPG, all these are non-renewable resources. So why do we call these resources as non-renewable? Because they are available in limited amount. So what if we use these resources? What if we continue using these resources? There will be nothing left. If we keep on using these resources, nothing will be left for our future generation. So we should use these resources very carefully. And do you know how these resources are made? These resources are made from dead remains of plants and animals. These resources are made from dead remains of plants and animals. Then you may think, plants and animals dies every day. Then why these resources are limited? So though the plants and animals dies every day, it takes millions of years for these dead remains to convert into resources. So it takes millions of years for these dead remains to convert into these useful resources. So that is why we should use these resources very carefully, as it is limited in amount, as these resources are available in limited amount. What happens if we use these resources and finish them? It takes so much time to convert the dead remains into resources. So we should use these resources very carefully, and we should left something for our future generation. So that is about non-renewable resource. Resources which cannot be replaced easily by natural process. Such resources are called as non-renewable resource. So in this class, we learned about natural things. What are natural things? Things which are present in the nature. And all kinds of natural things which are useful to us. They are called as natural resources. Then we learned about the two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resource. So I hope this is clear to you. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.